Join me as I take on the challenge of drinking lemon verbena tea every single day for a month. From its soothing aroma to its surprising health perks, let's see what happens. Welcome back to Tea and Coffee Explorers, your ultimate guide to the world of flavors and wellness. Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of lemon verbena tea. You've probably heard of its calming scent, but did you know that drinking this tea every day can bring serious health benefits? From boosting digestion to reducing stress, lemon verbena tea has earned its spot in traditional medicine. But what does that mean for us in our everyday lives? Let's find out. We all face similar challenges when it comes to our daily drink choices, don't we? It's easy to reach for that second, or third, cup of coffee when you need a pick-me-up. But then comes the caffeine crash, and let's be honest, too much caffeine can leave you jittery and restless. Or maybe you find yourself turning to sugary beverages, which, as we know, can lead to energy spikes followed by sharp declines. What if there's a healthier alternative that not only satisfies your craving but also supports your well-being? That's where lemon verbena tea steps in. Lemon verbena tea offers a delicious solution. No caffeine, no sugar, just pure, natural goodness. Imagine sipping a cup of tea that not only tastes great but also helps calm your mind, ease digestion, and even promote better sleep. Sounds like a win-win, right? So, what exactly makes lemon verbena tea stand out? Let's break it down. First, lemon verbena is packed with antioxidants, compounds that protect your body from harmful free radicals, which can contribute to aging and disease. These antioxidants also promote overall cellular health, giving your body a natural defense boost. Then there's digestion. If you often experience bloating or indigestion, lemon verbena tea might be your new best friend. It has been traditionally used to soothe an upset stomach and reduce digestive discomfort. The plant's natural oils are believed to ease inflammation in the gut and help your digestive system work more smoothly. But perhaps one of its most popular benefits is relaxation. After a long, stressful day, a cup of lemon verbena tea can help calm your nerves. It contains compounds like verbena that are known for their stress-relieving and muscle-relaxing effects. This makes it an excellent tea to enjoy before bedtime, helping to improve the quality of your sleep without the grogginess of traditional sleep aids. Now, let's talk about what happens when you drink lemon verbena tea every day. After a month of daily intake, the body begins to show some noticeable changes. One of the first things you might experience is a sense of calm and relaxation, especially in the evening hours. Drinking it regularly can help ease stress and anxiety by regulating your nervous system, thanks to the natural compounds like verbena found in lemon verbena. Over time, you might also notice improvements in your digestion. Since lemon verbena aids in reducing inflammation and promoting better digestive function, many people report feeling less bloated or experiencing fewer issues with indigestion. As your body adjusts, the soothing properties of the tea can even contribute to better sleep quality, not just falling asleep faster, but enjoying deeper, more restful nights. In fact, a study conducted in Spain showed that regular consumption of lemon verbena can significantly reduce anxiety and improve sleep patterns in people dealing with stress. So if you're looking to balance your mind, improve digestion, and sleep better without relying on medication or caffeine, drinking lemon verbena tea daily could be a simple yet effective solution. To sum it all up, drinking lemon verbena tea daily can offer some incredible health benefits. From powerful antioxidants to digestive relief, and even helping with stress and sleep, this tea has a lot to offer. So, if you're looking for a natural, soothing alternative to your daily beverages, lemon verbena might just be the perfect choice. Have you tried lemon verbena tea? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it works for you. And if you're curious to explore more teas, check out my previous video on how to brew the perfect cup of white tea for another delightful and healthy option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.